The meeting is going well. You are mid-sentence making your point, and then the wrong word comes out. Everyone heard it. Your face goes warm. Your brain stops building the sentence and starts replaying the mistake. And the silence grows. Here is what nobody told you. Native speakers make these slips all day long. Wrong word, lost thread, broken sentence, all day. The difference is they know how to recover in 2 seconds. Today, you will learn that skill. Someone told me, I said one wrong word in a presentation. One word. And I did not speak again for the rest of the meeting. One small slip and an hour of silence. The mistake cost her 2 seconds. The fear of the mistake cost her the meeting. Maybe you know that feeling. If this is you, here is the good news. The mistake was never the problem. Everyone makes them in every language. The problem is the freeze that comes after. And recovery is not talent. It is a small set of phrases, and you can learn them. Here is what happens in your head. You make a small slip, and your brain treats it like a disaster. It stops listening, stops building, and starts replaying that one word again and again. Meanwhile, the conversation moves on without you. But watch what confident speakers do. They make the same slips. Then they say a small, ready phrase, fix it, and keep going. 2 seconds, no drama. The room barely notices because the speaker did not make it a big deal. Today, you will learn 12 of those phrases. From a wrong word to a lost sentence to a complete restart, all covered. And here is the part that changes everything. Nobody remembers your mistake. They remember your reaction to it. Stay light, fix it fast, and carry on. That is what fluent sounds like. So let me show you how it is done. Confident speakers recover in 2 steps. A small, ready phrase, then they simply continue. That is the whole trick. The phrase resets the moment, and continuing shows control. No long apology, no explanation. Use repair phrases. A repair phrase is a short, ready phrase that fixes a broken moment calmly. Let's learn 12 of them. Repair phrase 1. The smallest fix. A wrong word slips out. Smile and swap it.
Sorry, wrong word.
For example,
We need to fix the schedule. Sorry, wrong word. I meant the budget.
2 seconds and you are back. Now you try. Say it out loud with me.
Sorry, wrong word.
One more time.
Sorry, wrong word.
Repair phrase 2. You said a wrong fact, a wrong day, a wrong number. Correct it cleanly.
Sorry, I misspoke. I meant Thursday.
For example,
The deadline is Tuesday. Sorry, I misspoke. I meant Thursday.
clean, professional, done. Say it with me.
Sorry, I misspoke. I meant Thursday.
Again.
Sorry, I misspoke. I meant Thursday.
Repair phrase 3. The sentence came out, but the meaning did not. Reset the meaning.
What I meant to say was, we need more time.
For example,
That sounded confusing. What I meant to say was, we need more time.
now the room hears your real point. Your turn.
What I meant to say was, we need more time.
One more time.
What I meant to say was, we need more time.
Repair phrase 4. The honest one. Your words sounded harsher than your heart. Fix the tone.
Sorry, that came out wrong.
For example,
Sorry, that came out wrong. The idea is good, just the timing worries me.
Tone repaired, relationship safe. Say it with me.
Sorry, that came out wrong.
Again.
Sorry, that came out wrong.
Repair phrase 5. The sentence got messy in the middle. Do not fight it. Rebuild it.
Actually, let me rephrase that.
For example,
Actually, let me rephrase that. The plan needs one more week.
calm and very professional. Now you.
Actually, let me rephrase that.
One more time.
Actually, let me rephrase that.
Repair phrase 6. The full restart. The whole sentence collapsed. That is fine. Press the reset button.
Sorry, let me start again.
For example,
The report was. Sorry, let me start again. The report is ready, and the numbers look good.
a clean restart beats a broken sentence. Say it with me.
Sorry, let me start again.
Again.
Sorry, let me start again.
Repair phrase 7. You lost your thread. Your mind went empty, mid-story. Natives say this all the time.
Sorry, where was I?
For example,
Sorry, where was I? Ah, yes, the client meeting.
light, human, and everyone helps you. Your turn.
Sorry, where was I?
One more time.
Sorry, where was I?
Repair phrase 8. The comeback. After an interruption or after a slip, return to your point.
As I was saying, the launch is on track.
For example,
So, as I was saying, the launch is on track.
you pick up exactly where you left off. Say it with me.
As I was saying, the launch is on track.
Last time.
As I was saying, the launch is on track.
Repair phrase 9. You explained it and they look confused. Do not repeat it louder. Simplify it.
In other words, we need to decide today.
For example,
In other words, we need to decide today or we lose the slot.
same point, half the words. Say it with me.
In other words, we need to decide today.
Again.
In other words, we need to decide today.
Repair phrase 10. The casual eraser. You change your mind mid-sentence. Delete and replace.
Scratch that. Let's meet at 2 instead.
For example,
Let's meet at noon. Scratch that. Let's meet at 2 instead.
relaxed, modern, and very native. Your turn.
Scratch that. Let's meet at 2 instead.
One more time.
Scratch that. Let's meet at 2 instead.
Repair phrase 11. You need a moment to reorganize. Ask for it. People always give it.
Bear with me for a second.
For example,
Bear with me for a second. I want to say this clearly.
you bought the time politely. Say it with me.
Bear with me for a second.
Again.
Bear with me for a second.
Repair phrase 12. The master move. The sentence got lost. Skip the wreck and land the point.
Anyway, the main point is we are ready.
For example,
Anyway, the main point is we are ready to launch.
nobody remembers the mess. Everyone remembers the point. Last one. Say it with me.
Anyway, the main point is we are ready.
Again.
Anyway, the main point is we are ready.
Now let us put them together. You are presenting the quarterly results. 10 people, all eyes on you. A word slips. You smile,
Sorry, wrong word. I meant March.
and you keep moving. Mid-story, your mind goes empty. You stay light.
Sorry, where was I? Ah, yes, the numbers.
A sentence collapses. You reset,
Sorry, let me start again.
and at the end, you land it.
Anyway, the main point is we hit the target.
4 slips, 0 drama. That is what confidence actually looks like. One last thing. The biggest mistake is over-apologizing. Sorry, my English is so bad, I am so sorry. Now the small slip is a big event. One short sorry is enough. Fix it, drop it, move on. The less drama you make, the more fluent you sound. So now you have 12 repair phrases. Wrong word, wrong tone, lost thread, full restart, and the master move, the full toolkit. Which of these 12 will save you first? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. And remember, reading them once is not enough. Say them out loud again and again until the fix comes faster than the panic. And here is the real secret. Real conversations do not wait for you. They move, they surprise you, they make you slip. Shadowing, repeating after me, is step 1. To get truly ready, you have to practice recovering live with something that responds and keeps the conversation moving. So here is your task. The next time a sentence breaks, do not go silent. Use one repair phrase from today and keep going. Then come back, because next time we are fixing the email everyone overthinks. Following up without sounding annoying. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.